Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the text that shows bad spacing. Use Ctrl+ if it's the whole document. Open the paragraph dialog from the Home tab so you can see precise values. Now inspect line spacing and the before and after fields. These control vertical gaps between lines and paragraphs. Make immediate adjustments. Choose single, 1, 15, or exactly with a point size. Once done, toggle the Don't Add Space between paragraphs of the same style checkbox to remove unwanted extra gaps. You now ensure spacing consistency by fixing the underlying style rather than individual paragraphs. Open Home, right-click the style in use, and choose Modify. This guarantees uniform behavior. Then click Format Paragraph inside the Modify dialog and set line spacing and before slash after values to the intended numbers. Make sure the style uses the same spacing across headings and body text to avoid mismatches. Once set, apply the style to affected sections so Word enforces those values automatically throughout the document. You finish by scanning for manual overrides that disrupt spacing. Turn on Show /Hide to expose paragraph marks and manual line breaks. Remove or replace them so styles control spacing. Use Find and Replace to convert manual breaks to real paragraphs when there are many. If direct formatting still causes trouble, select the text and press Ctrl+Space, or use Clear All Formatting to strip overrides, then reapply the correct style. If problems remain, save, close Word, and reopen to force a fresh layout pass.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.